This is a big fat cat, and it's very big and fat, and he's so big and fat and white, and he looks fierce.